YouTube, this is Artabulous with another easy vegan recipe. Today we are making lasagna. Anything cheesy is an absolute favorite of mine, so making this recipe was a real treat. I hope that you enjoy this recipe as much as I did. Let's get started. To prepare this recipe, you'll need the following. Before you start, preheat the oven to 350 or 375. After you do that, you can then cook your lasagna noodles according to the instructions on the package. While you're waiting for the noodles to cook, start making the substitute meat crumbles, adding the seasoning of your choice. Now, while you have everything on the stove, get your tomato sauce and add seasoning. After you do that, the crumbles should be done, so you can then stir in the tomato sauce. After a couple more minutes, the lasagna noodles should be done too. So take the noodles out the pot and drain them. After all the water is drained from the noodles, I rinse them really quick with cold water so they don't stick. Now it's time for the layering. The order is the lasagna noodles, sauced and crumbles, then cheese, and repeat. You repeat this order until you run out of noodles to layer. When you finish layering the lasagna, put it in the oven for about 30 minutes. When you take it out, let it cool for a while and then it should be ready to eat. This recipe is easy and very delicious. My family and I love lasagna, so this was a real treat. I hope that you try it for yourself and let me know how you like it in the comments below. See you next time with another easy vegan recipe, and remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to see more fun videos I post every Tuesday and Thursday. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Peace!